Awakening consciousness during dreams, often referred to as lucid dreaming, is the profound experience of becoming aware that you are dreaming while still in the dream state. This heightened awareness opens a portal to an expansive realm where the dreamer can not only recognize the dream environment as an illusion, but may also gain control over the actions and direction of the dream itself. Lucid dreaming is not merely a phenomenon of self-awareness, but a transformative experience that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and spiritual seekers alike for centuries. Throughout history, various cultures have interpreted this state in a multitude of ways, often seeing it as a spiritual practice or a vehicle for personal insight. Modern studies suggest that lucid dreaming occurs when the conscious mind enters a state of awareness while the body remains in the sleep cycle, allowing the dreamer to explore alternate realities, confront personal fears, or engage in creative problem-solving. In lucid dreams, the boundaries between the conscious and unconscious mind begin to blur, offering the potential for deep self-discovery and growth. This awakening of consciousness can range from faint, fleeting moments of awareness to full control over the dream's events. The power of the dreamer in this state is both empowering and humbling, as the dream world is often a reflection of their inner thoughts, emotions, and desires. By awakening to this hidden layer of reality, one gains the opportunity to explore the psyche in ways that are not accessible in waking life. Some lucid dreamers report experiencing profound clarity, solving problems they couldn't solve while awake, or receiving insights into their personal struggles. Others use the lucid dream state for pure enjoyment, crafting worlds where they can experience adventures, confront desires, or simply play with the limitless possibilities the mind can conjure. The process of awakening consciousness in a dream often begins with a moment of realization, a subtle, often inexplicable sense that something is amiss. This awareness may arise spontaneously or be triggered by certain dream signs, such as flying, the distortion of time, or the ability to manipulate the environment. Many lucid dreamers use techniques to induce this awareness, including reality checks, keeping a dream journal, or practicing meditation before sleep. Once the dreamer recognizes that they are in a dream, the experience can take on many forms. Some may choose to engage in dream control, while others may simply savor the experience of witnessing the dream unfold with full awareness. Regardless of the approach, the key lies in the realization that the dream is a creation of the mind, and that consciousness can shift within it. As the dreamer's awareness deepens, the dream itself can shift in response to their intentions. Colors may become more vivid, sensations heightened, and the dream world itself may transform into a playground of limitless potential. The ability to navigate through this realm and interact with the dream environment allows for the exploration of personal themes and conflicts. Some lucid dreamers use this state to confront repressed emotions or unresolved issues, while others seek out answers to profound questions about their existence or the nature of reality itself. In this way, lucid dreaming becomes not only a tool for self-awareness, but also a portal for deeper existential exploration. The awakening of consciousness during dreams represents an intersection of the conscious and unconscious mind, a dance between the rational and the mysterious. It is a space where the mind can unfold in both creative and transformative ways, offering insights that transcend the ordinary waking state.